This is Hymavathi. Students, in last class we studied about divisibility rules. Today I am going to explain about ratio and proportion. Generally, we will see in our daily life, we will compare different quantities in different ways. Like in the market, cost of vegetables and cost of any items, and in the school, marks of the students. Like this, we will compare. This is called a ratio. Ratio means an ordered comparison of two quantities of the same units. Ratio means an ordered comparison of two quantities of the same units. In general, I am taking A and B are two quantities. We write as like this, and we read it as A is to B. This is the symbol for ratio, and we read it as A is to B. Here, these two quantities are called terms of the ratio. These two quantities are called terms of the ratio. Here, the first quantity A is called first term or antecedent, and the second quantity B is called second term or consequent. Here, A and B are the two quantities, and we read it as A is to B. This is the symbol for ratio. Here, these two quantities are called terms of the ratio. Here, the first quantity are called first term or antecedent, and the second quantity is called second term or consequent. Now, I am taking one example. With Lata has 5 balls, and with Raju has 4 balls. Okay, now I am finding ratio of Lata to Raju. Okay, now children say to me, here first Lata is there now, so we have to take with the number of balls with the Lata is 5, and number of balls with Raju is second. So we have to take Raju number of balls with Raju is 4. So the ratio is 5 is to 4. The ratio is Lata to Raju is 5 is to 4. Next, one more example I am taking. A milkman. A milkman adds 200 ml of water. 200 ml of water to 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk. Now I am finding the ratio of water to milk. Now I am finding the ratio of water to milk. Now, but we cannot find because the ratio definition is comparison of two quantities of the same units. Here, milk is liters in the form of liters and water is in the form of milliliters. So, we cannot find. So, we have to convert liters into milliliters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay. Now, first, the quantity of water is 200 ml. And the quantity of milk 1 liter. Instead of 1 liter, we are taking 1000 milliliters. Now, cancellation. 200 ones are 200, 200 fives are 1000. This is the answer. 1 is to 5. It is the ratio of water to milk. Now, next, ratios in different situations. For example, one girl, Sudha, is there. Sudha is there. She wants to prepare tea for one person. She want to prepare tea for one person. So she taken milk and sugar. Okay, she is taken 1 cup of milk and in that she added 2 spoons of sugar. Okay, next if she want to prepare for 2 persons, she took 2 cups of milk and 4 spoons of sugar. And for example, if she want to prepare for 3 persons, she has taken 3 cups of milk and 6 spoons of sugar. Here observe, here for first quantity twice of the second quantity. So then we will get second quantity, means 3 into 2, 2 into 2. So this is constant. Can you find for 10 persons how much she will add the sugar? Means for both the sides we have to multiply with 10. 10 ones are 10 and 10 twos are 20. So for 10 members she will take 10 cups of milk and 20 spoons of sugar. Then here 1:2 is constant. So these are called equivalent ratios. Means such ratios dividing or multiplying by any number are called equivalent ratios. 1:2 is constant. 2:4, 3:6 and 10:20 are the equivalent ratios of 1:2. So 1:2 is constant because we cannot cancel it. Means so this is called simplest form. This is called simplest form. Simplest form means, and also it is called these are called equivalent ratios. This is called the simplest form. Simplest form means simplest form. Okay, if a ratio is said to be simplest form or lowest term when it is written as in the whole number and other than no common factors other than 1. Simplest form, when we say that simplest form or lowest term when we written as whole number and other than no common factors except 1. So then only we say that this is simplest form. Here before that I said 1:2 is constant. So it is simplest form. Next for 2 persons she taken 2 cups of milk and 4 spoons of sugar. See here we can cancel here with the 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we will get 1:2. So we say that the simplest form of 2:4 is 1:2. Like this we will use. One more example I will tell. In one class total students Now we have to find the ratio of girls to boys and second one boys to total. So in one class total students 30, then girls 10. Now we have to find the ratio of girls to boys and boys to total. Now we don't know here number of boys. So to find number of boys. Now see here boys is equal to total students minus number of girls. Now total students are 30 minus girls 10. Then we will get boys is equal to 20. Now we will solve these two problems. Now first answer is girls to the boys. Number of girls 10 is to number of boys 20. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Next second answer boys to total. Number of boys 20 is to number of girls 10. 10 twos are 10 ones are So the answer is 2 is to 1. Here the answer is 1 is to 2. Now the simplest form of 10 is to 20 is 1 is to 2 and 20 is to 10 is 2 is to 1. So these are the simplest forms. We cannot cancel it. So we say that these two are simplest form. Next, so we have to find division. How to find division? Division of ratios for a given quantity. For example, a sum with one person, a sum of rupees 3000. This amount two members are sharing in the ratio 3:7. Okay, a sum is 3000 and two members are sharing in the ratio 3:7. So we have to find for first person how much amount got, for second person how much amount got. Now for this we have to find sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. So here the ratio is 3:7. So we are doing sum. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now for first person got 3000 total amount 3000 by sum of the ratio, and for first person ratio is 3. Okay, 10 ones are 10, is 30 and remaining 2 zeros. Now 300 into 3, 900 rupees. And for second person got 3000 rupees by sum of the ratio into second person ratio 7. Now 10 ones are 10, 300. 300 into 7 rupees 2100. Okay, now see here, for first person got 900 rupees and second person got 2100 rupees. Total 2100 plus 900 is equal to rupees 3000. The question is, some amount is there with the person 3000 rupees. This amount is dividing in the two persons in the ratio 3:7. So we have to find for first person how much got, for second person how much it got. Now for that we have to do sum of the ratio. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So first person got 3000 rupees by, so total sum of the ratio is 10 into first person ratio is 3. Now like that only second person we have to find, we will get 2100 rupees. Like this we will use divisions in the ratio. Next I am saying proportion. So in generally A and B are equal to C and D. Then we say that they are in proportion if the condition is A is to B is as C is to D. Then only we say that these are in proportion. Okay, in general A and B are the two quantities equal to C and D. Then we say that if A is to B is as C is to D, then only we say that these are in proportion. This is the symbol for proportion. This is called is as. Is as. In this, these two terms are called extremes and these two terms are called means. In this, these two terms are called extremes and these two terms are called means. And next, I am giving one example here. Here, two members are there, Kirti and Lata. Two members are there. With Kirti, 10 pens are there. With Lata, 30 chocolates are there. Okay, with Kirti, 10 pens and with Lata, 30 chocolates are there. They want to share among themselves. So Kirti given to Lata 5 pens and Lata given to Kirti 15 chocolates. So Kirti given to Lata 5 pens Kirti 15 biscuits. Chocolates. Okay. Now the ratio of Kirti's pens to chocolates. Kirti's pens to chocolates is equal to, with the Kirti now only 5 pens are there, and with chocolates 15 chocolates are there. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So answer is 1:3. Similarly, with Lata, pens to chocolates 5:15. Same ratio. So again we will get 1:3. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So like this they shared equally pens and chocolates. So we got here same answer now. So this is the example for proportion. Now in this method, first we will find unit of one value and then we will find required number of values. So for example, I am saying the cost of 5 books is rupees 300. Then we have to find cost of 15 books. Okay. Now here cost of 5 books given rupees 300. Then we have to find the cost of 15 books. Now given solution, the cost of 5 books is equal to rupees 300. Now we have to find the cost of 15 books. The cost of 15 books is equal to rupees 300 divided by 5. 5 into 300. 5 6 are 30, or else 5 60 are 300 we can write. Okay. Now therefore the cost of one book equal to rupees 60. Now we got the cost of one book now. Now we can find the cost of 15 books. Therefore the cost of 15 books is equal to rupees 60 into 50. Okay, 15 6 are 90. So 1 0 is there now, 0. 900. So the cost of 15 books is equal to rupees 900. Now here we use the unitary method because here the cost of one book we find here. So then after we find cost of 15 books. Like this we will use unitary method in our daily life. For unitary method, the income of Sharat for 3 months is rupees 18,000. Then find the income of 8 months. Here given the income of Sharat for 3 months is rupees 18,000. Then find the income of 8 months. So for this we have to find the income of 1 month of Sharat. Given the income of Sharat for 3 months is equal to rupees 18,000. Now we are finding the income of Sharat for 1 month. The income of Sharat for 1 month is equal to rupees 18,000 divided by 3. Okay, here number of months is 3. Okay, 3 with 18,000. Okay, this is a 18. Now 3 zeros are there. Here write 3 zeros and 3 zeros. 18,000 minus 18,000, 0. So the income of Sharat for 1 month is equal to 6,000. Answer is 6,000. Now we are finding the income of Sharat for 1 month, means 1 unit. So we are using unitary method. Now we are finding the income of Sharat. Required number of months means 8 months. Sharat for 8 months is equal to 1 month salary into required number of months 8 into 8. 6 8s are 48. Here 3 zeros. Okay, means the income of Sharat for 8 months is equal to rupees 48,000. So like this we have to find unitary. Like this we will use unitary method in our daily life. Now homework problems I will give. Simplest form of 20:25. Second one 16:28. Second one, the cost of 3 pence is rupees 15. Then find the cost of 10 pence. Next, a sum of rupees 4,000 is divided in the ratio 3:5. Then find two amounts, two shades are two shades. Next, in a class, strength 40, number of girls are 15. Then find the ratio of